Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Lundbaum. I'm going to be your facilitator for the Entrepreneurial Training and Assistance Program that is offered by the Vidine Center for Rural Engagement at the University of Minnesota, Crookston. So what I wanted to do was provide you a little bit of an overview of the program as well as how the course is laid out. So I am actually going to go into student view so you can see what the course is going to look like on your end. So when you log into the course, this is what you should see. The first thing that I want you to note is kind of the key learnings that we're going to have, kind of what the overall delivery of the content is going to be. So everything will be posted on this Canvas site. And that will include video lectures, and I always call them mini lectures because they're never more than 15 minutes, as well as other readings and videos that I found that are pertinent to the information we're discussing. Every Wednesday or every Tuesday from noon to 1 Central Time, we are going to be having a Zoom meeting. And obviously, these are optional. I understand if that doesn't work for everybody. But that'll be a time when you can hop online and you can talk to me. I might even be bringing guests in to help provide some additional insights. And you can also discuss your business or your business ideas with your classmates. I look at this as a way for us to all learn from each other, not just for us to be giving you information. Here is the link for the Zoom meetings. If you have any problems, just shoot me an email. And we'll also have a chance to join learning communities after this is over, which you can click here to learn more about. To access the content in the course, you can either click here or you can go to modules. So we'll do either or. All right, so it's set up into 4 weeks. So we will meet every week for 4 weeks, or we'll have this program every week for 4 weeks through, I believe, let's look, May 6th. So we're first going to start out by just doing introductions and talking about some basic business concepts. The first thing that we ask you to do is complete a really short pretest. Since this is a grant-funded program from the Department of Employment and Economic Development, that's Minnesota DEED, we are collecting data so we can show whether our participants benefited from the program. So you would click on this and you just complete this short little survey. It should only take you like 5-10 minutes at the most. All right. You can always navigate through the course by either going back to modules or you can click next and it'll bring you to the next activity, which is a just quick introduction of yourself to your classmates. So that will be helpful so we can all get to know each other. There are close to 60 people participating in this program, so that is great, and it will be fun for us to all get to know each other. So if I go back to modules, you'll see there's various concepts that we're going to talk about. So the first is business fundamentals. You can watch this 5-minute video if you'd like, and then you can move on to the next one, which is entrepreneurship and small business. If there's areas that you feel you need more to study more or you need information on, feel free to focus on those areas. If there's areas where you feel you really know a lot, like let's say that you have a marketing degree and you really have been working in marketing for a while, maybe you don't want to focus as much on these areas, but you really want to focus on HR, whatever it might be. So I encourage you to utilize this course for yourself, for what you're looking for. Obviously, hopefully, all the content will provide some good information for you, but it also we realize that we're all busy people, so we want you to really focus on the parts that are most beneficial to you. So that is just a really brief introduction of the course. Obviously, at any time, if you have questions, please let me know. I will throw my email and phone number on to the homepage as well. All right, I look forward to getting to know you all in this course. I will talk to you soon.